Hello friends, today we will learn about the construction and different parts of transformer. Transformer is a kind of static electrical machine which transfers electric power from one circuit to another without changing the frequency. And there is no direct electric connection between the input and the output. Actually, it transfers electric power with the help of mutual induction. Transformer actually works on the principle of Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction and mutual induction. And Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction actually says that whenever a current carrying conductor cuts the magnetic flux, an EMF is induced. And when an EMF is induced in the primary winding, then another EMF is also induced in the secondary winding, and this is known as mutual induction. So let's see the different parts of transformer. So these are the different parts of transformer. So the first part of the transformer is the core. This is the core of the transformer, and it is made of many thin laminated sheets of high grade silicon steel. It is made of many thin laminated sheets because it actually reduces the eddy current and the hysteresis loss. So next is the limb. So this vertical portion of the core is known as limb. And the third is the yoke. This upper horizontal portion and the lower horizontal portion of the core is known as yoke. And the next is the winding. So it actually has two types of winding. First is the primary winding, which is connected to the supply, and the secondary winding is connected to the load. So the core of the transformer is immersed in a tank which is known as the main tank of the transformer. And this main tank is fully filled with a mineral oil which is known as the naphtha oil. And this oil acts as a cooling medium. Due to the winding losses or hysteresis or eddy current losses, the temperature of the transformer increases, and this oil actually decreases the temperature and increases the efficiency. And another cylindrical tank is connected with the main tank with the help of a pipe, which is known as the conservator tank, and it is always half filled with the mineral oil, that is the naphtha oil, because during high temperature the oil expands and it will provide space. So the function of the conservator tank is to protect the transformer from explosion. And when the temperature decreases, air goes in through this breather. It is known as breather and it consists of silica gel. So when air enters from here, the moisture of the air is absorbed by the silica gel. So the function of the silica gel is to actually absorb the moisture, because if the moisture air goes in, then the insulation property of the oil will decrease. And so the Buchholz relay is always placed between the main tank and the conservator tank. So the function of the Buchholz relay is to protect the transformer from explosion. So when the temperature increases, the Buchholz relay gives an alarm to the personnel and the transformer is disconnected from the supply. And this is known as the explosion vent, and it is made of thin aluminum pipe, and the function of this explosion vent is to protect the transformer from explosion. During high temperature, when the oil expands, the oil actually comes out from this explosion vent, and the transformer gets protected. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and subscribe our channel for more videos.